Hey guys, it's Taylor. I'm back with another video, and I bought these super cool little pegs. Build your creativity. You know, the camera is messed up. I'm sorry. Maybe I should redo it. So yeah, probably asking, where did I get this? Something. But yeah, we have these aqua pegs and these red pegs to listen. At least we have directions. Open them up. I'm so uncomfortable with this position. Sorry guys, I'm just mismatched today. So I got these directions. So which one should we do first? I think we should do the scorpion first. So what you're going to need for the scorpion. So we're going to need 4 of the pegs in that little bow thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got these 4 pegs. And then this big thing. Okay. Now you're going to want to connect them all together. I don't know how, but let me look on here. Alright, I know how to connect them together. So what you gotta do is you have to connect them like. Let me turn my camera. I am super sorry. I'm just not good today, guys. The camera screwed up. This video is kind of dumb, but whatever. You have to put one here. And then one right here. And then you have to put one here. The scorpion looks much cooler than the charm bracelet. Because the charm bracelet is not going to hold at all. This is what it should look like. You come my little sister. Okay, I'll let her come in the video. Here it is. And what else do I have? Sorry. Okay, so I have this. Leave it there. It's like a car. But, let's look at the instructions. Whoa. And we have to attach this thing, these two things onto it. But how? Okay. I guess I understand how to do it. I could go like that. Like, yeah. And then the two crescent moons. And then the crescent moons are supposed to go under. What? I did this wrong. Look, it says. One has to hold the crescent moon, and then you have to add the stickers on last. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. I'm just ruining this. Okay, I get it now. This one goes on here for the head. And this one is going to go on here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then you got the little face on. This one. Okay. Alright, and then you put these. You put two festive stickers on the crescent moon thingies, I guess. Whatever. It might look easy. Well, it is pretty easy. But it's gonna get hard. My little sister just did something awesome. Look, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just doing it without even thinking of me just having it to be correct. It's horrible, but it's an A for effort. Oh my gosh, I can't get this stinking thing out here. Okay. Sorry, my little sister's screaming all the time from upstairs. I'm like, are you okay? Okay, here's my scorpion. Die! This scorpion is just a fail. This scorpion is... I have no idea what to say about this scorpion. This scorpion is crazy. Okay, now I have this last piece to put on. Ugh. Okay.